The last type of reaction we're looking at is combustion, and combustions are the easiest thing ever, and I want you to rock at them, all right? They produce the same thing all the time. It's a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means CXHY. Sometimes they'll have an O in them, sometimes, but it's the carbon and the hydrogen, thus the word hydrocarbon. Burning in air, which means plus O2. Whenever you see burning, burning means plus O2. Heating does not mean burning. They're totally different, okay? So if it says burning, I'm adding O2. They always make CO2 and H2O. You don't even have to think about it. Oh, it's combustion. Oh, there's a hydrocarbon and oxygen. Oh, it's gonna make CO2 and H2O. And wait for it. Oh, hydrocarbon plus oxygen, it's gonna make, oh, what if I do this? H2O plus CO2. Totally cool, just a different order. The problem is balancing, okay? So I have a trick. The trick for balancing, and I'm going to start with this little trick, is 1, okay? Take the first number of hydrogens, okay? So this says 8 right here. I would like you to divide that number, divide H by 2, okay? So that's the first thing. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, okay? If the number is odd, multiply the coefficient by 2. If even, balance normally. Okay, so I already did that. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's even. I'm going to balance normal. The normal way to balance a combustion is CHO. Okay, I don't just say it because I like Harry Potter. It's just easier. So in the first one, we have 3, 8, 2. Over here, 1, 2 hydrogens, and 3 oxygens. All right, so since that's the same, so I'm just going to balance. I always balance carbon first. I put a 3. I balance hydrogen second. I put a 4. Now I have to check out my oxygens. Now I have 6 plus 4, that's 10. Okay, so now I have 10. What number can I do times 2 to make 10? Oh, it's a 5. Cool. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for our next one, CHO. But in this case, I'm going to take 4 divided by 2. That's 2. It's an even number, so I'm just going to balance it normal. So this is 1, 4, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3. Carbon first, carbon's cool. Hydrogen second, I'm going to put a 2 there. Okay, now I got to check my oxygens. 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens. What number times 2? Oh, we're going to put a 2 there. Easy breezy. Let's check the last one out because this one is going to use my trick. All right, so I have CHO, and I take this hydrogen, 10 divided by 5, okay, or 10 divided by 2 is 5, excuse me, and 5 is an odd number. So that means we're going to multiply the coefficient by 2, which means we're going to put I really mean we're putting a coefficient of 2 right there. Okay, that changes how many carbons we have. Now I have 10 carbons, 20 hydrogens, and still 2 oxygens. Now on this side it's still 1, 2, 3. Whenever you do CHO, it's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to balance my carbon first. I'm going to put a 10 there. Cool. I'm going to balance my hydrogen second. I'm going to put a 10 there. Cool. Now I got to check on my oxygens. Here I have 10 oxygens. Here I have 20 oxygens. So now instead of 3, I have 30. What number times 2 equals 30? 15. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a balanced combustion reaction.